Hello everybody, welcome back to our 3Set Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how to easily change the game mode on your MSI G242L gaming monitor. So first we need to open up our monitor settings. There's a red button behind the monitor. Let's just click it. And here we will have our settings. So as you guys can see, we need to go into the gaming. Basically here we have tutorials on how to move around, and we can see that here we can exit or move or go back. Is very simple. Now let's go to game mode, and here you guys can choose user, FPS, racing, RTS and RPG. So as you guys can see, the screen is changing with each one. Here we can confirm it by clicking OK, and let me click OK, and now it's selected. So that's basically how you guys can do that. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.